Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change your control settings, just tap on the escape button in order to pause your game, and then go into options. Now, from the options menu, you will see the controls option at the first. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose your controller preset if you have a controller that is connected. Underneath, you can change your sensitivity of your mouse, and at the very last option, you will see the keyboard remapping menu. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will show you all of the controls that have been assigned to your keyboard. If you wish to change any control, just tap on the currently assigned option, and now you will be prompted to enter a new key. Just tap on your desired key that you wish to use for this control, and now it will be assigned right away. You can do the same with all of the various controls within the game. And once you have made your change, you can go back and your settings will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.